Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 2nd of September 2024. For the general situation, the Turks and Caicos Islands remain under the influence of a broad subtropical ridge, while shower and thunderstorm activity ahead of a tropical wave is expected to impact the islands by tonight. Special warnings. A heat warning is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. For today's forecast for all areas, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Chance of rain is 30%. Partly cloudy with a very slight chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms tonight. Chance of rain is 10%. New rainfall amounts of less than 1/10 of an inch expected, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 20 knots and seas 3 to 5 feet over the ocean. Daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 91 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 111 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature is expected to drop to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:04 p.m. The next low tide is at 2:48 p.m. and the next high tide is at 9:07 p.m. For your extended forecast for the next 2 days, the subtropical ridge will continue to be the dominant feature. However, a surge of moisture associated with the approaching tropical wave will enhance shower and thunderstorm activity across the islands on Tuesday. Typical summertime conditions will return midweek. Forecast for Tuesday. Weather will be a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly cloudy with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 50%. Mostly fair at night with a low around 80. New rainfall amounts of about 1/10 of an inch, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. A small craft caution will be in effect, then a small craft advisory will come into effect in the evening. Winds will be east to southeast at 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, building up to 6 to 8 feet in easterly swell at night. Forecast for Wednesday. Isolated showers possible in the afternoon. Partly to mostly sunny with a high near 92. Fair at night with a low around 79. A small craft caution will be in effect. Winds will be easterly at 15 to 20 knots and seas 4 to 7 feet. Now with a look at the tropical weather outlook. A broad and weak area of low pressure just offshore of the middle Texas coast continues to produce some disorganized shower activity along portions of the coast of Texas and over the adjacent waters of the northwestern Gulf of Mexico. This system has a low 10% chance of formation through the next 7 days. Near the Lesser Antilles and Caribbean Sea, there's a tropical wave producing disorganized thunderstorms and gusty winds across portions of the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and over the adjacent eastern Caribbean waters. This system has a medium 40% chance of formation when the system reaches the western Caribbean Sea and southwestern Gulf of Mexico late this week and over the weekend. A tropical depression could form during that time. And finally, a tropical wave just offshore of the west coast of Africa is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are forecast to gradually become more conducive for development, and a tropical depression could form in a few days while the disturbance moves slowly west-northwestward or northwestward over the eastern tropical Atlantic Ocean. This system has a medium 40% chance of formation over the next 7 days. And that is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 2nd of September by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Wednesday.